How AI will change your career and finance in 2025. Imagine a world where AI writes your emails, analyzes your finances, and even predicts your career path. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. Did you know that by 2025, AI could impact over 30% of jobs and revolutionize our finances? Are you ready to see how your future might look? Hi everyone, I'm Ram Naresh Jha, your AI Guru J, and welcome to AI Guru J. Today, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is set to transform our careers and finances by 2025. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss these insights. Let's face it, many of us are anxious about the future. Every time you read about AI advancements, a nagging question pops up. Will my job be replaced by a machine? Statistics show that as AI automates repetitive tasks, millions worry about job security. I've spoken with friends and colleagues who fear that years of hard work might be suddenly outdated. What about you? Have you ever felt that worry about the future of your job? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I'd love to know. Now let's explore the exciting changes. AI is not just about replacing jobs. It's creating new opportunities and enhancing our skills. In many industries, AI is already at work. In healthcare, it helps diagnose diseases faster. In finance, it gives you personalized investment advice. And in education, it personalizes learning experiences. Imagine an AI-powered tool that handles mundane tasks like data entry, freeing you up for creative problem-solving and client relationships. Upskilling is key here. Learning skills like coding, data analysis, and critical thinking can turn uncertainty into a tremendous opportunity. Here's the breakthrough. AI isn't your enemy, it's your ultimate tool for growth. Let me share the story of Priya, a marketing professional who was once terrified of AI. Instead of fearing the change, she embraced it. Priya took online courses to learn AI tools that analyze consumer data, streamline campaigns, and even predict market trends. Today, she's not only ahead of her competitors, but enjoys a more creative and balanced work life. Ask yourself, how can you harness AI to enhance your career and boost your finances? Embrace AI to augment your unique human skills, creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. Let's shift gears to your finances. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can be a daunting task. But what if I told you that AI is here to make it easier and more efficient than ever before? AI is set to revolutionize how we manage money, and here's how. Imagine a world where your financial decisions are backed by data-driven insights and real-time analysis. Imagine having an AI-powered financial advisor that studies your spending habits, understands your risk tolerance, and even predicts future financial trends based on your behavior. This AI advisor can create personalized investment strategies for you, tailored to your unique financial goals and risk appetite. This technology can lead to smarter, faster decisions and potentially higher returns. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your investments are being managed with precision and care. AI is also a guardian for your wallet. It can monitor your accounts 24/7, ensuring that your money is safe and secure. Advanced algorithms can detect unusual activity in your bank account in real time, alerting you immediately to any potential threats, protecting you from fraud and cyber threats. This means you can rest easy knowing that your financial information is being vigilantly protected. Another exciting benefit is enhanced financial literacy. AI-driven tools can provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed financial decisions. AI-driven tools can break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand lessons tailored just for you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, there's always something new to learn. Imagine learning about personal finance in a fun, interactive way that truly speaks your language. These tools can make financial education engaging and accessible for everyone. Lastly, AI's lightning speed means that routine tasks like budgeting and expense tracking are automated. No more tedious manual entry or worrying about missing a bill payment. And data analysis are automated, providing you with detailed reports and insights at the click of a button. leaving you with more time to focus on growing your wealth. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can concentrate on what truly matters, achieving your financial dreams. So, how can you thrive in this AI-driven world? The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are transforming every aspect of our lives, from the way we work to how we interact with technology daily. The answer lies in continuous learning and embracing change. In this fast-paced environment, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Keep your skills sharp by exploring online courses, attending workshops, and participating in webinars. These resources are more accessible than ever before, making it easier to learn at your own pace, or even joining communities focused on AI. Engaging with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and support. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, especially now. The landscape of work and technology is constantly evolving, and so should we. Focus on skills that AI can't replicate: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and communication. These are the human elements that machines cannot replace. These human traits will always be in demand. They are the foundation of innovation and effective collaboration in any field. By pairing these skills with AI, you'll not only survive, you'll thrive. Finally, don't fear change. Instead, be curious, be adaptable, and embrace the opportunities that come with new technologies. And see AI as a partner in your growth. This mindset will open doors to new possibilities and career advancements. Pause for a moment. What's one new skill you'd like to learn this year? Take the first step towards mastering it today. Let me know in the comments below. Your journey of growth and learning starts now. To sum it all up, AI is transforming both our careers and finances, not as a threat, but as a powerful tool for growth. Embrace it, upskill continuously, and focus on your uniquely human abilities to secure your future success. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like this video, subscribe to AI Guru Jha with our animated subscribe button on screen, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of the AI revolution excites you the most? Also, check out our next video on future job trends. Link is right here on your screen. Watch till the end for more surprises. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of AI. It's been an incredible experience exploring the endless possibilities that artificial intelligence brings to our world. I'm Ram Naresh Jha, your AI Guru Jha, reminding you that every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember Priya's story? She faced numerous obstacles but used AI to overcome them. She didn't let fear hold her back. She embraced the unknown and turned uncertainty into success. And so can you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in your career, remember that AI is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. As you navigate your career and finances, keep an eye on AI advancements, stay curious, and never stop learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to discover. Attend conferences, take courses, and engage with the community to stay ahead of the curve. We're all in this future together. Before you go, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from AI Guru Jha. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, and let's start a conversation. Your insights and queries are valuable to us. Join our community for more insights on technology, career, and finance. Together, we can learn and grow in this exciting field. Embrace the future with AI Guru Jha. Let's make the most of what AI has to offer and create a brighter, smarter future.